Live from Tijuana, Mexico. Here we are on True Health Thursdays. And I'm with...
Evdokia Burkov.
Now, where'd you come from?
Oregon. Born and raised.
Oregon?
Mm-hmm.
No kidding. Okay, now, you've been down here a whole bunch. Okay, what did you originally come down here for?
For the biological dentist, which then I found out you have this whole package that's all connected because I've been doing a lot of research on biological dentistry.
Okay, I got to tell you, to take charge of your own health is very, very rare nowadays because most people are just like abdicating authority over yourself, getting a medical doctor to prescribe a toxic chemical. To take charge of your own health is rare. To be an advocate and tell other people and to drag them down, okay, is like friggin' amazing. Okay, you're saving lives. I mean, there's going to be special places in heaven for people that have the confidence and courage like you do.
Well, you'll be there for sure.
I'll go wherever he sends me. But you know, you've brought, 20 people? Maybe more?
Yeah, maybe more.
Yeah. Okay, now...
And I'm going to keep sending them here because Dr. Bergman, that whole package is the plan.
Okay, here's the weird thing. What kind of conditions did they come down for?
Arthritis, diabetes. I mean, my niece, we went to sushi restaurant one night, literally after seeing you, and she could walk upstairs. She almost ran up the stairs.
Oh,
and she's like, oh my God. Like she was crying walking up the stairs because she couldn't walk upstairs. She had to
People are designed to be healthy. And it's cool. I mean, there's nothing, the whole package here is cool, but human beings are magical.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they're designed to live healthy on this planet. Now, aside from bringing everybody, what kind of results have you had? Although I know your pre and post x-rays are rocking.
Well, I love the live blood analysis. Like, it was just so eye-opening for me, like, to actually see ourselves, what they are and what they need. And it's just, I don't know, it was mind-blowing. And,
Well, that's what I want to put in schools.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you're having a big event in Oregon, okay,
Mm-hmm.
that I wish I could go. I mean, I'd support you guys in any way I can. When's the event?
July 28th.
Okay, now what is it? Because people have travel everywhere.
It's a fundraiser for our school, a gala, a nice 4-course fine dining experience with our kind of Russian traditional food, and just live auction, cocktail hour. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Okay, one of the things that I want to do when the world becomes back to normal, where we're going to recreate it, the live blood cell analysis has got to be in school. I mean, if we could put that in, like say 7 to 8-year-old kids, maybe even younger,
Mm-hmm.
to see that there's a miracle, there's an ecosystem in a drop of blood, they would be treating themselves like they are walking miracles.
Mm-hmm.
That would be totally cool. Okay, you brought your mom and a few of your sisters.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I miss
My
your
kids.
mom.
Yeah, my mom is pretty cool.
Ridiculously cool.
Yeah.
Now, what could you tell people out there? Because I mean, you've seen people with diabetes, with arthritis, you've seen anxiety and stress and depression, bowel disorders, you've seen all that stuff. People
Cancer.
get better.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, but cancer is the body walling off toxins. So you fix the toxic environmental exposure and help the immune system to detox. That's the way. So I want to tell people that it's kind of magical because human beings are magical.
Well, with you learning, I learned that, God created our bodies as self-healing machines, like you say all the time. And you don't need that medication or that surgery or
we're coming from a major delusional world where the people in authority, and it's kind of like when people were saying, you have to sacrifice a virgin in order to have good crops, or the sun travels around the earth, okay, and they won't look into a telescope to refute it or confirm it. Okay, so we're in a society where a toxic chemical, okay, is given to a patient to alter symptoms of adaptation. And that's called healthcare.
Yeah, and everybody I asked as we were leaving the clinic, I'm like, what was your favorite part of this? Everybody said live blood analysis, because you actually see that, what are the symbiont, like the life force that, like, God is so good and so, it's proven, it's like shows right there.
Smallest drop of blood in the ecosystem. I should do a whole talk on the blood health and stuff. Now,
and come down to Oregon. Like, I've been trying to get, I work at a health food store. Like I told you, I'm like, come down to Oregon. We need to start a clinic like this.
Set up any kind of seminar, and I'll fly up there in a hot minute.
You heard that, people.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. I was trying to fly out to Indiana to a spot, but there's no way. I just couldn't make it out there and back in a weekend. But
you're
Oregon,
a busy guy. Like, you're literally like, you're just, God's using you and just saving lives. And
yeah, thank you. Thank you, God, for the energy.
Yes, I don't know how you do it.
Now, what can you tell somebody to inspire them to take charge of their health?
You know, you just have to put your foot down. Like, I work at a health food store. Like, they literally tell me, and they walk in and they're like, I don't know nothing about natural health, but I want to know. And like, just do your research. Just get on top of it. Put your foot down. You know, doctors. You know, I'm not saying they're bad, but I'm just saying, like, do your research and use your God gave us our bodies for a reason.
He gave you, it is. You're designed to live here. You're designed to be adapted.
You don't need any synthetic drugs and all that. Stay away from drugs.
Just say no.
Yes.
Well, what's interesting is when you do your own research, and it's tough now because of the censorship going on. I met a couple of people here. One guy used to have pancreatic cancer, and this is like 10 years ago, he got rid of it. His wife used to have breast cancer. But they said on their journey of healing, and it is a journey, you got to find the cause, you got to detox, you're going to go through sweat, and you're going to go through like your body is detoxing. And they said if they had that same disease today, they couldn't recover. They wouldn't have any of the information because the sites that they were using are gone now. So look at the research, but look at it with a certain prejudice. If anything that you do helps your body processes, regenerate or detox, that's good. If anything is trying to suppress a symptom, okay, that causes harm, they're called side effects. There is no such thing as side effects. There are only effects. Okay.
Yeah.
So, trust your body. Every time I've trusted a body, it's worked well.
Listen to your body. That's number one. Because I would walk into a room when I was going through my stuff, and I feel like I'd fly 5 feet back, but I'm standing one spot, and they're just telling me I got vertigo and low iron and stuff, and I'm just like, it has to be more. So just don't give up. Don't give up.
Don't give up. Okay, now, wait. Any problems coming across the border?
No. They pick you up, they drop you off, wherever you need to go. It's amazing.
Okay, and you guys are walking around down to the restaurants, down everywhere. Do you feel safe on the streets here?
If you leave your purse at a restaurant, they chase you down the street looking for you. That happened to me. And it's very safe. Food is amazing.
Oh, wait, yeah. Okay, they wanted a gluten-free option.
Yeah. Chef made us.
Oh, yeah. She showed me a picture with the chef made, which looks...
dairy-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, egg-free, butter-free, and he just...
But it was flavorful and tasted good. Because you were going to say,
with all that. Ever. Yeah. We're so happy. We're literally like on cloud nine. We're fed. We're getting fed so well. We're getting treated so well. We're just on this beautiful health journey. So come.
Get out there. Be a health advocate. Promote intelligence of the body. Take care of yourself. God bless you.
God bless.
You're welcome.